Parts of speech are the basic categories of words according to THIR function in a sentence. It is a category to which a word is assigned in accordance with its syntactic functions. In grammar, the parts of speech, also called lexical categories, grammatical categories, or word classes, is a linguistic category of words. Words are considered the smallest ingredients based on their use and functions. These are categorized into different parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech in English language. Parts of speech list is as under. The 8 parts of speech. 1. Noun, naming word. 2. Pronoun, replaces a noun. 3. Verb, action word. 4. Adjective, qualifies noun. 5. Adverb, describes a word. 6. Preposition, shows relationship. 7. Conjunction, joining word. 8. Interjection, expressive word. Key points to remember. Some words can be considered more than one part of speech, depending on context and usage. Every sentence you write or speak in English includes words that fall into some of the 8 parts of speech. Learning the names of the parts of speech probably won't make you witty, healthy, wealthy, or wise. In fact, learning just the names of the parts of speech won't even make you a better writer. You will gain a basic understanding of sentence structure and the English language by familiarizing yourself with these labels.